open some fabric mail that I recently bought within the last couple weeks. This right here is from SeweirdEvelynabrics. Evelyn is amazing. She always tries to have sales, giveaways. She usually puts in a free item, so that's what that spool is. She also puts in fabric samples, which is awesome, especially if you're looking to try out a new base. This is a new fabric base for me. I've never sewn with cork before, so when I seen this on her website, I was like, ooh, I want to try it just because it's purple. And I love her solid cotton spandex. So I got this bubblegum pink one, I got the purple, and then the red is a ultra wide custom grade cotton spandex. I'm thinking with the great stretch that it has that it would make either some t-shirts or a hoodie or something. Cotton spandex is a perfect base on tops, dresses, hoodies. I love using it for underwear. Great stretch, great recovery. And this package is from J&R Edwards Textiles. Ryne and her family are truly awesome. They always have fun prints, fun giveaways, just fun wall drops, everything. Put in a little free item. We got 2 D-rings, a little tag, and this cute little panel. It's too cute. I never ordered woven tags from them before, but I seen these on her website and they are super cute and perfect for what I want to use them for. This base right here is new to me. It is a dragon sheen. It said it's perfect for exterior or interior linings of bags. So I got that, and then also the book garden is also dragon sheen. And this vinyl is one of their matte vinyls. I love how it has the soft backing on the back, especially for my domestic that I use. And I seen this panel on her website and was like, oh my god, this is so cute. This is a cotton spandex panel. It's really large. Like, I was thinking a panel would be somewhat small. No, this has great coordinate with it, and I love the panel. I thought it would be super cute to make myself a tank top or something fun for the summertime. It has awesome 4-way stretch, horizontal and vertical. And this package right here is from Rebecca at Itching to Get Stitching Custom Fabrics. I recently found her shop and I just love everything that I've ordered. So for this one, I got her smooth matte vinyl, and I love the prints on it, super pretty. And that also has a soft backing, which is perfect for my domestic. This is my first time ordering her webbing, and it's super nice quality, feels great, and I love the colors. These are 1.5 inch by a yard. And this is her cotton spandex. I love how it has the great stretch. I love these colors. These will be for my daughter. She loves rainbows. She loves everything colorful and Disney. And this also has great stretch, 4-way stretch, great recovery. You can use this fabric base on a lot of different items.